Happy Valentine's Day, Kenzie. I hope you have a wonderful day today from your favorite auntie, Nikki.
Hello. I'm Nikki, and today I'm going to show you how I made my first talking jumbo Valentine's Day gift card that will actually stand alone. So what I'm going to do first is make sure I have my cutting mat. I brought the blackboard you see underneath, the foam board. I purchased that from Dollar Tree, and of course I printed the image myself. I'm going to cut the image to size on both ends, but as I'm cutting this in, I am going to leave a little white gap because I want to be able to have some spare room when cutting. Once I finish that, I am going to score. There's a white plastic thin layer of backing on it. I'm just going to score the top to expose that adhesive part, and I'm going to place the bottom of the image to the bottom of the foam board. The foam board size is a 20 inch by 30 inch, so it's 20 inch wide by 30 inch long. And I am going to make this image at about 29 inches long and about 19 and a half inches wide, just so that I can have some playroom with the image. Once I line the image on the board, I am going to start pulling the plastic lining from the back and start rubbing it onto the board. Before I did that, I did you want to make sure that you get out any wrinkles prior to this process, because you don't want no creases or wrinkles in it. So basically, I'm just with my hand, I am basically just flattening it out and attaching it to the board, and I am doing this slowly because this is some very sticky paper and you do not want to get that image down on there first before you had a chance to rub it on. Once I pull the liner from underneath the image, I'm going to take my craft knife. I'm going to take the ruler and just basically clean it up at this point. I'm going to cut all sides. And after I'm finished cutting all sides, I am going to just freehand cut those curves out, supposed to be in heart shape, and I'm not going to cut them all out at once. I'm going to cut out in sections. So there you have it, the board. Now that I have completed this part, now for the talking voice recorder. Before I put the voice recorder on, I'm going to basically cut the circle that I have pre-made for it. I did stretch the image a little bit prior to printing, so I did make that hole a little bit too big. So what I'm going to suggest is, before you cut that part out, to get your voice recorder and kind of take a pen, put it down and trace around it so that you don't cut it out too big. So right now I'm basically just gathering all my little gifts, candies, little food and trinkets that I will be placing on my card inside the little plastic cover. I'm going to get them ready, line them up inside the card, see where I want to put them and how I want to arrange it prior to placing it or flipping it over onto the card. Once I have done that, I'm going to take the card and I'm going to flip it on top of the plastic container, line it up and flip it back over. I'm going to push everything underneath and make sure it's in there. Take my stapler and I'm going to staple the sides. This stapler here I did purchase from a yard sale. A lot of my stuff I purchased from yard sales and garage sales, so I don't plan on spending a lot of money when I buy things. But however, I am going to purchase another type of stapler so that I can be able to get the top, because I wasn't able to get the top. Here is the voice recorder. I'm going to press record and basically just get my special message that I want to make custom for my niece. Happy Valentine's Day, Kenzie. I hope you have a wonderful day today from your favorite Auntie Nikki.
Happy Valentine's Day, Kenzie. I hope you have a wonderful day today from your favorite Auntie Nikki.
All right, so when I finished recording my special message to my niece, I went to place the recorder in, the voice side up, and of course the part where you do the play and record is facing on the back, which is also where the switch is. And as you can tell, I kind of made it a little bit too big, so what I did was I applied some glue dots on going around on the ends, stuck it back inside, and now it's really a really nice flush fit. So like I said, make sure you kind of trace your voice recorder prior to cutting out your circle. Don't make the same mistake that I did. All right, so to get my card to stand freely, I am going to attach a 2-foot easel, self-adhesive backing on the back. These are the same easels that I use for my custom standees and cartoon characters and cutouts. And there you have it. The board is standing freely. To make this look a little better, I am going to attach some lace ribbon going around the white plastic container edges with some hot glue. All right, y'all, so I noticed that when I stood the card up, it was leaning over to the front. So I decided to remove the easel backing from off it and position it at least 1 inch from the bottom. So this gave it a little more stability when I put it down, so that it can lean back towards the back a little bit better, instead of having that easel where my hand is all the way to the end like I would normally do for my cutouts. So be sure, if you decide to do this, make this card, have your easel backing at least 1 inch from the bottom, so that your card don't tilt over. And after I did that, I had no more problems afterwards. And here's the final product. Enjoy. Hope you like it. Don't forget to like, share, subscribe, so you don't miss the rest of my custom Valentine gift ideas for this year. All right, y'all. Until the next one.
Happy Valentine's Day, Kenzie. I hope you have a wonderful day today from your favorite Auntie